Greetings from Pariba. Today I'm going to explore the Juchet area. So check it out, there'll be a lot of Peranakan houses and the diverse culture and diversity. So let's check it out, man. Today is Sunday. No, I mean Saturday, and it's about like 5:30 p.m. Just nice for exploration because the sun is not so hot and warm, man. Yesterday I was at the Peranakan Museum at City Hall area, Armenian Street. So I decided it's actually quite worth to explore this area. Opposite is the City Plaza. You can come here buy some Muslim clothing, And behind me is PLQ Parkside Condominium. I can see the Juchet Gedang Sirai Market over there. Look at the roof, very kampong-like. Now on my left side is an old mall called Juchet Complex. And the tour, the fun starts here, man. So many Peranakan shop houses. Amazing. I'm just excited to see what I can see today. So there's a Singapura hawker club. I think they sell some beers and crabs here. Let's continue to explore, man. I'm getting excited now. Badai. There's a very nice blue building here. A nice car, by the way. And lots of PRC tourists. I realize the buildings here are very colorful. Tambourine Road, look at that orange color building with the blue kind of frame windows. Then there's some malls here. I hear dogs, man. And I see dogs just in front. I think it's a pet shop or something. DK9 Pet Care. Look at this, man. Even a hydro-canning winter swim for the dogs. What a name, Queen Road, and there's a KTV pub over there. Chuanxi Basketball Club. Oh, I didn't know that. Wow. And I heard there's a museum somewhere, at block, number 287 or something, where you can dress us as a Peranakan, different costumes. Of course, not free, you have to pay. Hey, what's this? Tanker Monk Art and Home Attire. There are even a pair of the dragons there. There's a Guanti temple in front, and look at the murals on the left side. The phoenix. Wow, so beautiful, right? There's some kind of fighting club here. It's insane. KBS events. Lots of Vietnamese food restaurant here. And 191 stay upstairs, man. And there's another one here. The restaurants. I can hear the Vietnamese speaking because I learned Vietnamese by myself, no? I can understand and recognize them as well. Seems there are many pubs, and look at this stretch. Wonder where it leads to, man. But I'm just focused on mission. Go to Khun Sen Road first, then I'll explore the rest. Because it's a must to visit Khun Sen Road if you are here in Juchet. And look at that. I finally arrived at the most beautiful place of Juchet, which is the Khun Sen Road abandoned house. Let's have a look. So there are people staying inside. No, look at the car. So different colors. Blue. This one look abandoned. It's a bit scary. Look at this. Wow, it's insane, man. I think there are still people living in it. This one come out well here, man. Oh, this one is grey. It looks like a shop house to me, man. The next one is light blue, number 10. This area was like the original Peranakan stay here, in the 1970s. I mean, before 1970, and then 1970s, they were asked to move out by the government, and most of them went to HDB, stay in HDB and condos. And doorbell here. Oh my God! Opposite there are more house. It's insane, but actually it's become a tourist spot as well. So there are people staying inside. No, look at the car. So different colors. Blue. This one look abandoned. It's a bit scary. Look at this. Wow, it's insane, man. I think there are still people living in it. This one come out well here, man. Oh, this one is grey. It looks like a short house to me, man. The next one is light blue, number 10. You know, this area was like the original Peranakan stay here, you know, in the 1970s. I mean, before 1970 and then 1970s, they were asked to move out by the government, and most of them went to HDB, stay in HDB and condos. And doorbell here. Wow, it's amazing, these tiles. Peranakan tiles. I like that one, the blue color one. You see the 出入平安, you know. That car is awesome. This one looks abandoned. And they're having some project here, man. Addition to existing 2-story. I think going to make 3-story. Oh, I tell you, I saw a very old house here, right here at number 5. I'm not sure when anybody, but oh, there's a car here, Volvo. But you look at the tiles, it's so old, man. And there's one more, it's open right now, there's a car inside. So I'm here at the Peranakan Museum at 283A Chuchia Road, and you can have the photo shoot for $100, you know, but you can claim from Agriculture Pass. And then also some Nongyang beadwork and painting workshop, sketching, and yeah. And these some of the photos of the olden people, I mean the Peranakans. So you climb up, there's no elevator or anything, it's just a simple museum. Very nice. But the entrance is a bit hard to find. Look at this, man. The giant shoe. And this entrance, you know, Peranakan Museum. It's so colorful. Upstairs they still have. And imagine this one, kebaya. They can rent a costume for you. It's called kebaya for the Peranakan, Nongya. Photography as well. And guided tour at $12, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. And this, they are very big kind of, put some stuff inside. And this place along an alley, you know, it's not too easy to find, but it's like Kun Seng Road, just like I visited there. It's just around this corner only. So this is the history of Kun Seng Road or Kun Seng Road. It was named after a real estate agent, Chong Kun Seng from Malacca. And then these are very like heritage kind of pre-war terrace house. 1900 to 1940. The externals are decorated with Chinese couplers of good fortune and stuff. There's even a QR code here. This is part of the Geylang Serai Heritage Trail, man. Okay, we're gonna walk this way. Look at that, furnishing center, Viet Seafood Connection. There's a cold storage here, man, as well. Wow, look at the lights. You can smell food from everywhere. Very curry smell. It's a nice shop called Hello Arigato. Arigato means thank you in Japanese. Wow, this is a hotel. Brand new hotel. Look at that, man. It's a pet hotel, Boti Pet Hotel. So there's a pet hotel here in Chuchia. It's insane, right? Look at this, man. Lots of like chairs here, so beautiful. So where's a rattan for cleaning, you know? It's so cute, man. Look at that signboard. The chain saying is so old, man. I realized there are a lot of murals here. Wow, this building, I think it's a condo or something. And the red color building is so nice. Means Cat's Mandarin. If a count there. So you see a stick house at the bottom, ground floor, and then a Mandarin class on second floor. Look at that, man. What's up, Doang? premium bulldog specialist in the Demai Feng Shui gallery right here. Oh, they sell some pet portraits here. Firefly Art Studio. Hey, there's a vinyl record here, man. New plus used vinyls. Wow, I've arrived at Juche Community Club already. It's under the People's Association. Wow, look at that, man. Just chicken instead of chicken. Under this butcher box. There's this cool shop called Elephant Parade, and look at the outside here. They sell other stuff as well. There's a Crepe Bak Kut Teh opposite that seems to be very famous in the Megumi Japanese restaurant. Katong Point is over there. I found a retro cool shop called the Panic Room at 428 Juche Road. There's so many books here. You can have it for free. Pick a book, draw a book. Don't ask, just take and go. And there's a very retro looking barber chair here and the mirror. You know, I could not find any neighborhood that is a bit similar to Juche. It's like there are pubs, there's Peranakan shop houses, and there are so many interesting shops right here. It's insane, man. And now today's weekend, all the Amos will come out and enjoy the pub. It's only 7:30. That's a nice thing. Oh, it's insane. There's a mall called I2 Katong and lots of people right here. There's a Chucky restaurant over there. Looks so nice. And guess what? There's Peranakan house here. It's so beautiful. It's actually a restaurant called the Ruma Peranakan Heritage Home. And look at the trishaw, man. And guess what? There's another interesting place called Singapore Visitor Center that's open now. You can check it out. Wow, look at the shoes. So these are the shoes we saw just now. Very small size. $255. It's so expensive, man. But this one, same. I'm very shocked now by the price. Look at the saucers, man. If you come here, maybe you don't need to go to the museum. It's even taller. And I believe their costume behind. Oh, this shop sells the bajang and the kueh as well. You can smell the bajang from here. Opposite, there's a nice Starbucks, and I am surprised there's a floor more. This place is beyond my imagination for now. So many nice stuff. Chinese restaurant here as well. And there's banana, right? Dona Mani's Heritage Bakehouse. And not only that, there's Indian food, Bombay Fusion, Bombay Garden, and a Korean Busan Pocha Korean BBQ. I'm standing in front of the Katong Bakery and Confectionery Company, or the Red House. This has an interesting story because back in the 1925, they started selling the curry puff and pastry. So it's based on a trust system. That means whatever you take, right, you go and pay. But if you take more, then you tell the staff you take only one or two, then you build a trust system. And not only that, there's a blind date system where one man and one girl who is single, right, they want to know each other. So they'll come here, they have a kind of blind date, they just sit and then there's a screen separating them. And if they like each other, they think there's a communication, okay, everything okay, they'll go to opposite, there's a Rossi Square or something, there's a cinema there, and then they'll go and watch a movie, man, very romantic. Birds of Paradise ice cream, gelato, lots of queue here, maximum thank you in the boutique. If you climb the bridge, right, this way, you can reach Rossi Square, and by the way, there's a famous Katong Laksa 328, right over there. Wow, if you enjoy this video, give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. And I'll end my video here. Thanks everyone for watching this video on the Juche walking tour. Hope you guys enjoy it, and take care everyone. See you guys in the next video, and bye bye.